This is how most of professional YouTube videos sounds like. But what if my video starts to sound like this or maybe this? Then for sure you will be going to hit the dislike button, and as well as if you're subscribed to my channel, you will for sure going to unsubscribe me. But what if I told you I will be going to tell you the secret trick to get this professional studio like audio without having any premium or professional equipment, without having a premium studio, and even without having a normal mic? So in this video, I will be going to show you a premium tool which you will be going to get access to completely free, and will be going to use that tool so as to get your premium studio like audio. So I will not be wasting any time. Without wasting any time, let's get started and directly jump into how you can convert your audio into a premium studio like audio. So let's get started with it. Okay, so here's the video with some noisy audio which I've recorded for testing purpose, so you can hear it. Okay, so this is the audio which I will be going to record from around, and like this is my studio, so I will be also going to tap on my table so that this will act as a background noise, and I will show you how professional this tool. Okay, so this is like testing audio, or like you can say video, which we will be going to use. So what's next you have to do? Just open your browser. So let me just open a new tab, and you need to search for Adobe Podcast. So this is an AI tool which we will be going to use. No matter you have a premium account or completely free, or will be going to create a new account, you can use this method. It's completely free. So this is the tool. You need to log in with your account. So here you can do all of these stuff as they are displaying. For now, what I will be going to do, you just need to click on Start Enhancing. So you can see currently I do have premium access, but for sure you can try this even for free. So here's the difference. Like if you are going to try like premium version, you will get access to their latest version, but version 1 also works best. So just click on choose file, and then you just need to upload that video. So let me just upload it. Okay, so till then this specific video file is uploading. You can see we do get an option to like adjust the speech, and even this is the best feature. If your audio does have some music, you can adjust it, and even you can remove the background. And even like over here you can see you can get transcript of your whole video or audio. So now you can see it's uploading. Once it is done, then we can proceed it. So let's wait for it to be uploaded. Till then, there is one more solution, which is an Android application. So you can search for Dolby Sound app, and so this is Dolby On. This is one of the best I have ever used. So this is what I was using previously. So here you can record your audio, video, and it provides you with a lot of like audio editing and like voice editing features. So this is one of the best if you're using a mobile phone to record audios. And it doesn't, I think, uses AI as of now, but you can edit your voice manually. But it works well, and you can adjust it manually. Okay, but in this option there is no need to adjust anything manually. You just need to grab these bars and reduce or increase the amount. So let's say this is done, and even like it enhanced my audio as well, which you can adjust from here as well. So less, if you do it less, so it will be like a kind of your original as it is audio, but if you do more, it's will be kind of more enhanced audio. So at 100% you will not sound like you yourself, but it will be like more kind of professional. So generally I keep it around 70 to 80%. Okay, and if you do less, so it will be like very less amount of background noise, and if you make it 100, so it will be like complete total background noise. So if I check it with less, so let's see how much it is capable of removing all those background noise. As of now my audio doesn't have music, so this will not work, but if your audio does have music around, so you can adjust it. Okay, so this is the audio which I will be going to record for testing purpose. So you might be able to hear the fan noise and some like unknown noises coming from around. And like this is my studio, so I will be also going to tap on my table so that this will act as a background noise, and I will show you how professional this tool makes our audios. I will be just tapping and all those keyboard typing sounds. So let's see how much better it works. So yeah. Okay, so this is the audio which I will be going to record for testing purpose. So you might be able to hear the fan noise and some like unknown noises coming from around. and like this is my studio, so I will be also going to tap on my table so that this will act as a background noise, and I will show you how professional this tool makes our audios. I will be the stepping and all those keyboard typing sounds. So let's see how much better it works. So yeah. Okay, so this is the audio which I will be going to record for testing purpose. So you might be able to hear the fan noise and some like unknown noises coming from around. And like this is my studio, so I will be also going to tap on my table so that this will act as a background noise, and I will show you how professional this tool makes our audios. I will be the stepping and all those keyboard typing sounds. So let's see how much better it works. So yeah. And so as to download it, just hit the download button and download will start shortly. So you can see downloading has already started and you can use it after that wherever you want. Okay. And if you're looking to improve your audio quality even more, then there are 3 mic suggestions from my side which you can go. So the first one is this Boya mic which you can go for. By the way, if you are using this tool, you will not require mic, but for sure it will somewhat enhance your experience as well. So this is the Boya mic. I will attach the link for this mic as well. And the second is like if you're going for wireless one, then you can go with this option. This works well. I have used both of them in my past. And then this comes the Holyland like normal mic, and this is like the best mic you will ever had. It does have a magnet, and there is one more advanced version for this Holyland mic available. You can go for any of these 3 mic options for now. So that's all today for this video. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you still have any questions, doubts or queries, then make sure to leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible. So that's all today for this video. We will see you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye.